In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Revolut virtual card. It's a quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Acquiring a Revolut virtual card is an extremely simple process. All that you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the Revolut mobile app, and you will be able to generate virtual cards as you wish. In there, switch over to the Cards tab after you sign into the account where you want to acquire a digital card, and tap Get Card. In there, you can choose between a physical or virtual card. Now, select Virtual Card and go through the setup process to acquire your own virtual card. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and all that you have to do is pick a color for the card and then give it a name or a label. After you generate the card, it is going to automatically and instantly appear under the list of cards attributed to your account. It is ready to use, and when you tap on the card, you will be redirected to a page that has all its details. In there, you have plenty of options. You can go into the settings, you can freeze the card at any time, and you can tap the option to show the details. If you tap Show Details, it is going to give you the information that you need to make purchases online, so the full card number, the expiry date, and the security code. By using that information, you can now make purchases online and everything will go through this card as the payment method. You can freeze it at any time, like I said, so it is wonderful for security. After you are done using this card, it is going to always be available and you can just leave it here. You can also use this card to make purchases in-store or in-shop contactlessly. So if you wish to use your Revolut virtual card in-store, what you have to do is assign it to a digital wallet instead. When you tap on the card at the bottom of your screen, you are going to see the options to add the card to an Apple Wallet or a Google Wallet, depending on your device. So if you are on an iOS device, you will be redirected to the Apple Wallet, and on an Android device, usually to the Google Wallet. By tapping that option, like I said, you will be redirected to the respective wallet with all the details about the card automatically filled out. You can set it as a default payment method or choose the card whenever you want to make a purchase. You can use the virtual card to make contactless payments by selecting it as the payment method and holding your phone near a card reader. As long as your phone has NFC capabilities, it can be used to make purchases in-store contactlessly. But for the most part, this is all you have to do to use your Revolut virtual card in-store or for online purchases. Tap on the card, go into the settings, freeze the card at any time, and reveal the details whenever you are ready to gather the card number, expiration date, and security code to make purchases with the Revolut card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Revolut virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.